Welcome to Bali, Indonesia. Known as the Island of the Gods, Bali is a paradise with something for everyone. Here are 5 amazing things you absolutely must do when you visit. Number 1. Explore the Ubud Art Market. Immerse yourself in Balinese culture by wandering through this vibrant market. Find unique handmade crafts, beautiful textiles, and intricate artworks while enjoying the local vibe. Number 2. Trek the Tegalalang Rice Terraces. Just a short drive from Ubud, these stunning terraces offer breathtaking views and a perfect opportunity to learn about traditional Balinese irrigation systems called Subak. Number 3. Visit Uluwatu Temple. This sea temple, perched on a dramatic cliff, is not only a spiritual haven, but also offers mesmerizing sunset views. Stay for the traditional Kecak dance performance to experience Balinese mythology come to life. Number 4. Dive into the underwater world. Bali is a diver's paradise. Explore the vibrant coral reefs of Menjangan Island or the famous USAT Liberty shipwreck in Tulamben. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced diver, Bali's underwater beauty is unforgettable. Number 5. Relax and surf at Seminyak Beach. Whether you want to catch some waves or just relax on the sandy shores, Seminyak is the place to be. With its trendy beach clubs, amazing sunsets, and delicious local cuisine, it's the perfect spot to unwind. From cultural treasures to natural wonders, Bali has something for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. See you in Bali!